How to change your TikTok account name? Step by step. First of all, you need to open the TikTok application. After successfully opening the application, the very first and most important thing you absolutely need to do is to carefully click on the prominent profile option that you can clearly see located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you have precisely clicked there, your unique account name will then be prominently displayed right here for your immediate viewing. There will be an edit option in front of it. You need to click on that. As soon as you precisely click on it, the prominent name option will immediately appear on your screen. You then have to carefully click on this particular option, and from this convenient location, you can effortlessly and completely change your desired name to anything you wish. You can set any name you want, whether you want to make your name longer, write it in short form, use your surname, or use a nickname. It's entirely up to you. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.